Today's recipe is rolled toast with mushrooms. It's a great appetizer. The ingredients are fresh mushrooms, butter, mayonnaise, grated onion, and thin bread slices. And there aren't any measurements given because this is going to be up to you as to how much you want to make, and if you want it to be more oniony or more dry. It depends on what you put into it, kind of like making tuna salad. Everyone has their own taste preferences. You're going to saute the mushrooms in butter for about 10 minutes. Make sure that your mushrooms are chopped up pretty fine, as well as the onion. You're going to let your mixture cool and then add your mayonnaise. Now, even though it's thin sliced bread, it seemed to work better if I used the rolling pin to kind of squish it down somewhere. It helped it to stay together as I rolled it. At this point too, if you want, you can cut off all of the crust. But I left it on for rolling because I felt like it made it a little easier to roll up. So you butter your bread. Spread your mixture out over your bread. And roll it up. Now I did cut off the ends. And because I'm using a countertop oven / roaster, baker, toaster, broiler, I just put these two pieces on a piece of foil so I could put it in. And you leave it in and broil it for about 5 to 6 minutes or until it's lightly browned. Keep a close eye on it. And if you want bite-sized pieces, you can cut these up to smaller sizes.